Hello and welcome back to our video. So today we are going to discuss about how we can simply change our Chrome background from its website. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video and know more about it. So first of all you need to do is go in your Chrome browser and click on the three dots on the right hand side of the website. So now after you enter the page, you need to go and click on the appearance option on the left hand side of the interface. After clicking it, you can see theme on that option and click on it. So now it will load different kind of backgrounds which you can keep as your Chrome background. So amongst these, you need to search for the one you like the most. Here I have shown by clicking one option. As you can see the reviews and other related stuffs, you can simply click on the add to Chrome option, which will then change it into your background of your Chrome. Now you can simply go back and click on a new tab to check whether. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will come back with these interesting tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.